Hello everyone, welcome to Robbie's Consulting Service and thank you for joining us today. In this video, we will show you complete machine repair and maintenance bundle workflow. So, machine and equipment are critical assets for many businesses, and keeping them in a proper working condition is essential for maintaining productivity and reducing downtime. However, managing a repair request, inspections, maintenance activities, spare parts, technician assignments, and records manually can be challenging and time consuming. When information is scattered across different systems for managing through a paperwork, it becomes difficult to track a repair progress, monitor cost, and ensure timely service completion. The machine repair bundle for Odoo is designed to simplify and automate the complete machine repair and maintenance process within a single integration platform. It helps to organizations efficiently manage service requests, machine inspections, repair jobs, preventive maintenance activities, spare part consumptions, technician works, etc. By centralizing all repair related operations, business can improve visibility, streamline workflow, and ensure that maintenance activities are completed on time. With a powerful repair management and maintenance tracking feature, this solution enables service teams technicians to collaborate effectively throughout the repair lifecycle. So let's get started. First of all, as a customer, you have to log in, and here you can see the menu called machine repair request. So click it, and you can see here we have a integrated portal form view. So just you add your details as per your requirement and click on submit it. We have already created a machine repair request. So here we cannot do, but you can submit, and in a backend system will automatically generate a machine repair request. Then after submit this, you have to log out the portal user and log in as a admin user to show that machine repair request. In here, click on the repair menu, and you can see we have already created machine repair request. So click on the machine repair request. Here we have all required details for a machine repair request ticket. You, you we have also add machine repair informations like brand, model, color, machine brand, warranty, etc. etc. And we have also integrated timesheet in a machine repair request that include projects, descriptions, accounts, etc. etc. Then we have a general information that include nature of service, repair type, job code sheets, problem, etc. Then we have a customer rating that customer added their rating and comments. Then we have a product consume part, labor planning and overhead planning. Then we have a machines images, and we have a material requisitions. So let's go and check each of workflow step by step. So so first of all we have a create a material requisition for this machine repair request. The, to create a material requisition request, click on a create material requisition button. System will automatically create a material requisition record for this particular machine repair request. So we have already created material requisition record. So with the help of smart button, you can just click and show that material requisition record. So here you can see, just click on a material requisition record. Here we have a record that include requisition lines and requisition action as a purchase order and internal picking. So this record in a approved stage, we have a one button called create PO and picking button. So when the user click on that button, system will automatically generate an internal picking and purchase order as per your requisition action. So we have already created that records. So the button is high right now. So the help of smart button, you can see that internal picking record and purchase order. Here, here we have a picking record, and here we have a purchase order. So back to the machine repair request. Okay. So now we have a job code sheet integration in a machine repair request. So here we have already created that record. So currently button is hiding. With the help of create job code sheet button, system will automatically generate a job code sheet for this repair request. So with the help of smart button, you can just click and open that record. So here you can see we have created a job code sheet for our material, labor and overhead. In here you can see the purchase order lines, HR timesheet lines, vendor invoice lines, smart buttons for actual purchase quantity, actual vendor quantity, and cost price that allow to actual quantity of purchase order, vendor bill, and timesheets hours as per your records. So you know already the whole workflow of job post sheet. So back to the machine repair request, and now we have a create machine diagnosis button. Here we have already created this. So with the help of smart button, you just click on that record, and here you can see we have a create diagnosis for our machine repair request. Back to the machine repair request, and here we have a small workflow called expenses claim. So here we have already created this one also. So with the help of smart button, just click on that expense view. So here you can see our expense form view with the machine repair request integration and attach receipt button with the draft stage menu. Okay, then we have back to the machine repair request. Then we have also stock inventory integration in a smart button. You can also check the stock moves from here. Then we have a small workflow of job inspections. We have we have to add a job inspections entry from here. You can see we have added one job inspection entry for packaging machine sensor. inspection. So here we have lots of entry related to this. Then we back to the machine repair request. Then we have also a one workflow for import repair requests. So this user will import a machine repair request from selected Excel file. Okay, so you have to upload your Excel file, and with a click of import, system will generate as per your Excel sheet entry automatically. So back to the equipment. Here we have also create equipment as per our requirement. Then we have also create a cell estimate for machine repair. So here we have already created this one. So with the help of smart button, we just see that estimate. Here you can see the cell estimate that include quotation and repair request smart button. In here we have a add material, labor and overhead products in our cell estimate. So in here we have also integration of quotation. So in approve stage we have a button called create quotation. So when user click that button, Odoo or system automatically generate a quotation from the sale estimate. So here we have a end of a workflow. If you have any query regarding this, then free feel to ask. Thank you so much. Have a great day.